Good morning everyone. Today's session we are going to see how to implement relational and logical operators here. So we all know that how to create a table and how to create a structure in our database here. Now assume that this is a table we are having. Now in this table we created 4 columns along with these values. I will show you how to insert the values of information in our table. Now here in this program we are going to see how to implement our relational and logical operators here. So now see here. So this is the basic syntax how to define a relational operators here. Now see, this is a database we are having, this is the table we are having. Now according to this table, now I want to retrieve the values of information based upon the given condition here. Now for retrieving the values of information, we can use the select command. So here the select is a command which is used for retrieving the records from our table. So select. So if you want to retrieve the particular column, you can retrieve the particular column from table name. So if you want to specify the condition, we can use the where class. So where class which is used for filtering the condition. Based on your condition, the particular records will be retrieved from your table here. Now see here in the relational operators. So now see here in this example. Now here in the relational operators, one of the relational operators is equal symbol, which is used for whether the values of two operands are equal or not. Suppose I want to retrieve whose salary is equals to 5,000. Now in this table we are having all these values of information. Now for this table I want to retrieve the values whose salary is equals to 5,000 here. Now see, for that select with where class we can use along with their relational operators. Now I will show you so practically. Now see, so we all know that how to create table and all. So creating table, create table. I'm taking employee details. So employee ID. I'm taking employee name. Now this is a table we are having. Now I want to insert the values of information here. So how to insert the value of information? Insert into our table name is employee values. So now here we created 3 columns. Now I inserted I will insert 3 values here. AID for 1 I'm taking, and series the name for rename and salary like this. Like this we can insert the number of records here according to your requirements. Now I inserted 2 records. Now if you want to insert one more record, we can insert like that. If you want to modify the values also we can modify. So now if you want to see the table of information, we can use the select command. Select the start from value of information. So now select start from our table name is employee details. See, so this is the table I'm having. Now according to this table I want to implement a relational operators and logical operators. Now here I want to retrieve the data whose salary is equals to 5,000. Now for that I'm taking select start from table name. So here I'm using where class. So where, so sal equals to 5,000. Now see, so here I implemented the relational operator like equal symbol. So here see, whenever you are going to using this relational operator, so based upon this condition, the particular record will be retrieved from your table here. So the particular see whose salary is equal. So this record will be retrieved from a table. Now if you want to use greater than symbol like greater than or equals to. Now see. So here I am using greater than. Whose salary is greater than this salary, that particular record will be retrieved. Greater than or equals to, or we can use a less than, and we can use a less than or equals to. Like that we can implement the relational operators. So now see. So here, so what we have to do is, so see, after creating table, after inserting value of information according to your requirement, we can use the relational operators like this. So based on employee table, how we are going to retrieve the value of information, salary, like that. If we want to take, so see, no records will be selected. Why? Because no salary is less than or equal to 4,000. So that's why no records will be selected. Like that we have to implement relational operators. And after that we have the logical operators also we have. So in logical operators we can implement all these operators like AND operator or not, between, any operators we can use here. So AND operator, if you want to see here, we can use the command like this. Now see, select. So if you want to retrieve the salary whose name is equals to this name and whose salary is equals to this, and at a time we can check two or more conditions. If we want to check two or more conditions, we can check the condition by using logical operators like this. Now see, where salary equals to 5,000 and EID equals to 2. So now see, so here we are using logical operators and here. So now see, when we are going to checking whether the two conditions are satisfied or not. See, so whose salary is equals to 5,000 and whose ID is equals to 2, that particular record will be retrieved from your table. Now see, instead of this I am taking R also. Now see, here we are using R. So logical operators, see, R means either this condition will be true and either this one will be true. So either of this condition, one of the condition will be satisfied, that particular record will be retrieved. So whereas in AND condition, both the conditions will be satisfied, then only that particular record will be retrieved from your table. Like that we can use all the logical and relational operators here. And here, apart from that AND or, so we have NOT operator also we are having. Now see, so we can use a NOT operator like this. So NOT where, so instead of that AND or, we can use NOT operators, NOT whose name not equals to this one. The particular name will be removed, remaining all the names will be retrieved from your table. Like that we can use. Like that we can use, and we can use the between operators also we can use here. So here in the between operators, so now suppose if you want to limit the range between the values, so how we are going to use the between operators here? It's by using this between operators, and we can specify the range of values. Now see here, where suppose this is a table we are having. Now in this table we are going to retrieve the values from this so this given range here. So select star from whatever the table name we mentioned, so that table name, and we can specify the condition. So here we consider the salary column, that particular salary column, so whose salary is between this 2500 and 5,000. Between this range, whatever the values we are having, that particular records will be retrieved from the particular table. So like that we have to implement the relational operators and logical operators by using these commands, relational and logical commands. And Like that we have to implement all the values by using relational and logical operators.